My name is Nikhil. I am 34 years old. I came from Ahmedabad actually. I was suffering from sleep apnea earlier days and थोड़ा सा choking भी चालू हो गया था in between. But 3-4 साल से मैं CPAP भी यूज़ कर रहा. I'm really fed up with that CPAP machine and I really wanted to get rid of that. That's why I came to know about this clinic, that specialty ENT, and I met with Mr. Vikas sir, and he guided very well to me, and I operated my nose and throat at a time, and I feel very relaxed after that. Breathing is totally normal, and for snoring and for sleep apnea I am getting at least 70-75% results better. I'm feeling better. Yes.
Or you're not choking?
No, I'm not choking right now, and I'm breathing is really normal actually.
So when you get up, are you fresh?
Yeah, I'm really fresh.
Which was not the case earlier.
Yes. Yeah.
So what do you recommend?
Yeah, definitely. Don't think about the if you really wanted to get rid of that CPAP machine, you really need to operate with Mr. Vikas Agrawal. Thank you.